Hello everyone, welcome to I Am Myriad. I am super excited to show you how to connect your wallet and start buying NFTs. You're going to find this is easy, quick, and crypto transactions are super fast. So to get started, we're going to check out the website and see what we want to buy. But first we have to connect our wallet. You can either install a MetaMask or a Trust wallet on your browser and then simply go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. After you click on Connect Wallet, then you'll get these two options. Now you want to make sure you have MetaMask installed or Trust Wallet, which is just like a bank account. And simply you want to go ahead and pick one of these. So after you've connected your wallet, you'll see it in the right-hand side here. Very easy to do, and you can top it up with BUSD to buy Amish aliens, Ethereum, or BNB for the gas fees. So make sure you send some of that to an exchange to your wallet and you're ready to go. You can pick one of the popular collections. I'm going to go with Amish aliens right here, and I can simply click on it and take a look. Now all the cool aliens pop up right here, and I'm super excited to buy one. I need to see the price first, make sure I have enough BUSD in my wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and find one that I like, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the BUSD icon. Then it's just going to take a second to load here, and I'm taken to the page where I can buy it. I can see the description, the collection it's part of, the owner. I can see if there's a bid or any history on it, and if I'm excited, I can go ahead and click Buy Now. Now you want to make sure of a couple of things. You have enough price to cover it, and you have the service fee. After that, it's quite simple. And as I said, crypto is really, really fast. You can hit proceed to payment and then go ahead and just approve the transaction. And that's how quick and easy it is to go ahead, connect your wallet, and just buy an awesome NFT.